Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today, let's talk a little bit more about Motion. And yes, Notion as well. Now, it's 2026. The productivity world is split. On side, we have an AI that literally builds your day for you. And on the other hand, there's a digital sandbox where you build everything from scratch. I am talking about Motion and Notion. Now let's talk about which one is the best for your project. They both have really great tools, but you can try to, let's say, figure out which one is the best for all of us. Motion, I can tell you that the Motion is for people who live and die by their calendar. So if you work all the time with your calendar, if you, let's say, depend a lot to all of the dates, I think that Motion, it's basically an AI chief of staff. It's a killer feature. It's auto rescheduling. When a last minute meeting pop-ups, Motion AI instantly shifts your task for the next available slot based into the priority. Nowadays, we have artificial intelligence for chat, meeting note taker, AI dashboards, document assistance, integration, meeting assistance, calendar, and so much more. So it eliminates decision fatigue. You don't ask, what should I do now? You just look at the calendar and follow the AI's plan, which I think is like the best tool to be followed on. And the catch, I can tell you that it's not expensive. Well, it's expensive, but it's not for note taking. It's an execution engine, not a storage unit. So this is going to be you might be saying like a really great investment. So the knowledge hub of Notion. Let's get back to Notion. Notion is your second brain. It is where your product context, meeting notes, and SOPs live. So Notion AI is the star. It can search across all your documents to answer questions like what we decided to on the budget last March, for example. It is indefinitely customizable. You can build a CRM, you can build, as I did here, blogs, for example. You can get a workout tracker even if you wanted to. So this is like a big, but it's not a schedule of your day for you, right? So it's much cheaper than Motion. Yes, it has a free version, of course, but it requires like tinkering if you spend more time building your Notion than doing your work. So you have failing into the Notion trap, right? So if I wanted to, let's say, talk a little bit more about the 2026 comparison table, I can say like the primary goal, automated scheduling. If I wanted to focus into calendar, well, Motion has native AI time blocking. Notes is very basic. The learning curve is 10 minutes, for example, and the best for busy executives, solopreneurs. But in Notion, for example, the primary goal is for knowledge management. I'm truly stoked about knowledge management. Into the calendar, I think that it has manual views. And something else, for example, is that the notes, it's world class. So if you're a student, I think that Notion is the best suit for you. And the learning curve, this might be taking like 10 hours, for example, to be noticing a lot of that. And lastly, this is best for teams and creative thinkers, as I just told you. Now, the every workflow is that it of course has like a pro secret, which is the most product people use in both, which is the Zapier logo connecting directly here into Motion. Notion, for example, they used for the deep thinking, for planning, for projects, for writing documentation, and the artificial intelligence of Notion does a really great work with the actual, even the context. For example, the context here, let's say, research more about this subject, and done. So this is the ultimate combo, because Notion is where you store your world. Motion is how you survive the day, basically, right? Personally, if I used this by myself, I was sticking around with Notion AI. But if I wanted, let's say, for example, to have like a organization, a real organized life, like a daily life, I can be focusing only for Motion, because Motion almost does everything by ourselves, and we don't have to. The learning curve is actually going to be really simple. The solution is going to be all of them directly right over there, and I have to, let's say, spend less time configuring my product management rather than just take in mind what I have to do. So if your calendar is a mess and you miss the deadlines, get Motion. But if your information is scattered and your team is confused, well, get Notion. You can stick around with Notion, which is totally for free. There's Asana, there's Monday, there's ClickUp. All of them are for free. Motion has a 30-day free trial, but only if you're making a credit card, so you might want to take that in mind. So you can let me know which one fits for your brain better. So let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 2026 tool guys. So thank you guys again for watching, guys, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.